year, less than 2 months. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Gaya mandasi yari.
Naro muguko.
Sasa omo ile mukakara chizungumzi na mandasi. Ukoni mugusimo tevi na kiokorukwa ile tobato kunyara gochake ngambe. Let us start with you. Ukarage ni chairman.
Omotegera linchengruku Moses Irianga Onkenge. Branch Secretary ya Kenya National Union of Nurses. Bono no tule maigata tekorara gamba ke kubaresere iguru ya mangana y'abanyagitari especially nurses. Yes.
So chabanta bange bomukireka kabisa especially YouTube they are ready for this conversation this morning. Yes, karibu sana chair.
Biamono. Anja samreta ngoroko Eric Rioba. Nje chairman ya Nurses Unit Kisii County Branch. Yes.
All right, karibu sana sa studio tabeto kunyara gusanga asobwamo emambia rero. Around ya ngumu kinyi ikomi narimo arariti umugiro kolende baada ya intuko bagega mukuri matukabere mugakora umugiro nje kamanya mwatwari no kwegwana lakini senga mbere tugatebanga ngo kimuri gutwara long term solutions. What happened or what is happening?
Ono tigato chake buna umugiro twachite umugiro mutinyu kumunarimo mwakoria haita msitwa watu sumu muri challenge isano against the county government.
Challenge chirichichi no twinyo
na mungu banyuri. Challenge as follows. Number 1, to implement a consultative report of April 2021. Report hiyo ili ya kutete abateresa against the law.
Yes.
Kama cheto mugiro 2020. Implemented fully because it was achieved conciliatory. A conciliatory category in Vegas minus conditions. That was number 1 item. Number 2, to upon a failure to employ more nurses. Nurses uno to kwa naiga ebaraba kesi chinikita chito there is outpans na omono so mongese gas.
Yes.
Ikiya gatatu to kwa na designated the qualified specialist nurses. Are qualified but mbachie to cover designated in the right job groups. Lakini county government of Kisii again to tumio bumanyi bwabo osomo konya bantu bitbagusi. Lakini ngego ikese payslip tebu at the end meaning isibare ekyuge kurani moral y'abantu baito kolegas na ndabantu bande kwande school namba 4 tukwande kintu gikurukwa salaries delays.
Okay.
Namba 5 tukwanda magana kurukwa promotions cha nurses. S5 items yecho mutinyu mwa strike twachito November 2024 igento ba machito koligereria yake promotions
ya nurses.
Nurses.
Niyo sumo gateba baka muhima marube for public service board.
Yes.
Ya Kisii County.
Yes, that's why we want to be very objective. As strike to achieve 5 items. The county government tried to struggle with 1 item, UL number 5 promotions. Out of 761 nurses were getting for promotions. Kanyara got 510.
Wow.
Which is 67% of the total workforce within the nursing structure are getting for promotions.
And you're okay with the same?
We are not very okay, but at least they tried to do 510. So I got to strike in totality. We had given a government time to Kaiwana with the weekend competitive positions to advertised. To the same day, I can strike you Saba. In the 50 mpaka today, Maraso Marieta. We want to mind what is happening in Nabalibaring competitive positions. Oseba Mbaraga qualified ko Bosku Webiro and Mbarabatigresco. That's number 1. Okay. Number 2, asa magana promotions because promotions are for individual. Kero toko unatora batatu there are among them, but another tukura kwande strike iriengo. Okay. Promotions are individual. Kero toko nya promotions to reduce 20. Kero kwa nyoreta na to reduce 20. Now we fight kanjite we fight. And we are working in the same conditions, the same environment. Number 3, H2 1 mpaka 4 up to date nchira batackled, including employment ya wenda usoka advert rasoka salaries wiki yabana iko still by that kunyorwa designation barakora. So in totality strike ya November 2024 they had to tackle 20% of the total items to abide.
Right. Now, nte turabwatira gabu. Nimbwatu mo secretary ase studio on nurses. Na secretary zirabukonya robwate notes kiri mwaligede. Mwabwate bikaro bene mugateba ninga ekero tukuchikunyara gutware gikaro ne timu yega ye county. There is that bare minimum. Tulaga ni baba bakunyara gutwa. Bagakore neke sisi tunamaliza mgomo. And I'm sure mwana ngi utawokora mgomo nyambara aba bare minimum. Inkina kibaba lirete chira na vekianire usembire ikiranage kogeranga mu cyako mugiro yoga tutanyara kurigire bono kisababu kikogerana inde mwarangiri mu.
Okay, ase bia mono John ase sababu kiri cyagere tukagenda umugomo.
Yes.
Mbajike ni chance. One, promotions mbate meteko kora chia competitive ani chia common kada around 500 na chia mani atebire bagaikerio and that chance by implemented because ando bagwata marube nyomba irube ritaraba implemented kana se pay slip.
Yes.
Togo cheke ndokende nateba abantu baito bakaba subjected to interviews by which job rubijira competitive.
Yes.
Up to now bagakora interview kenenge yasokire. Togo cheke ndokende mbatebete employment of nurses. Up to now they are not given it out.
Okay.
Again, to even the statement of the dismissed nurses. But everything within 1 month, again cover November, they will be reinstated. Up to now they are not reinstated.
Within 1 month you are
even the Beyonce back medical insurance cover bachi teko soki almost channel lakini still nebwate changamoto teribia igo. So among these things tuachire konyonge serikali egokora gantu gite ebinde kare abatebi mo yabangaina. And actually ndero tebi motegera linga ki ekerokora abanyagitari bakoenda mugomo igo serikali nero yagenda mugomo because konyoranga ya salary chingaki nturi tayari gukwana itabachi bebacha usemba kotaka gukwana gento kerekene nabona uchinde ibatongainire. Nebine nindeka twa tebetenga tuigwana ndirengo bikora bali tugatete ntoru ali abana inji so that mbateseka lakini nande bono baikire bebachire so ntibaikira ntibimpe Beyonce naboniga nasesi abange bachire siko abande bali tired abantu bari bakwete batara bali replaced so okwende facility kwanyore nasiere eyemo still nachita kaira chi report kusuira ochukuya marioge nyagitari esiekire umwana inji kago ikoro onyoranga nyagitari na stakolitiki tayo ochaka kumana nyagitari nyagitari totally kazi na tayo ago chance asta and is alone but the government they go jigente kiesekyo onyoro nekere bako employee ba subject more employment to other departments chile lesser than the health sector ono kwanyanga ki they don't value and banda ambasumbo geti sana singenjonga mbaliko ba treated ga kaiti areje muku kubako toyi ujinya they are not treated there. Okay. Babwari insurance kwende ya mukavita up to 10 million akurwali gwagakani bandu banda bakurwali gwisiko so if monde imagine ngana byo osene byemba bimanyire abiko minyoka kaiti areje byamnyoka ga kwende bamadinga they are not tigabaya ndo jawonya bagukubako.
Wow. Okay. Now, touch us the issues that you feel nga echiga ncherenge addressed na chitwa mentire ne chitobwate boniga bikomo tunaenda. In fact, mochake mugiro
chake.
Ndio chake.
Chake on Monday. Tarehe
13.
Bandu bari nkapi.
Until further notice.
Baka toigwana nande bono ndiri kuchikokora mugomo ekatwamanyire ngaki togodi nabantu abalimo. Mate nursing is a provision by the way bandu ndi batana kumanya. It's one of the provision you got take long time keroko soma. Idi yokwenda 5 years. Diploma kwenda 3 years and a half. Manya omuntu ori school wako soma omuntu ndo okore tegosinga kiasomete ocha kugoisaransira ukungaina. You can see to isaransite boniga to strike they are not thinking anything. Lakini abantu bagendete guko. So which is bad. Omugomo yo ntiri chukungainu. Na toirane batarata tebintu bagotokorera. Na ndu ikabono esingi twa amanyinga nabakora bona bera amatinga ngere lisakarerio makoenda.
as by the position employed in a county government, which is the County Public Service Board. Now, the relevant officers within the county government structure. Lakini this one nilikuwa kuna mpinto kivi kila tutochite strike ya kabisa.
Yes.
So mwaka se kege ne strike ya
January
kabisa.
2025 mwaka to mwaka utocha kabia manga na
Yes.
magometa yo last almost every department went on strike.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I think a strike ya kabire ya chakire under the management ya Paul Simbarati.
Kurwa Saba Teresa.
Kurwa Saba Teresa. Tuiwana buna umutinyo gatatu last year tuwabwate MOU na barabu. Among these issues tuwakwande se strike ya china chichiarengo.
Okay.
Ako tebi strike tuwachaga ya November 20% of the items that were presented to the government that tried to be addressed. And they were struggling. Oroche county government in November up to date mbari wataranyo na maruba saba ntababeta promoted. But IBB did affect the increment in terms of that promotion. So tumawoje strike ya kabere ese bintu biri biyonsi nano biri because India bet tackled well. Number one, ndubwate gento geko official to engage the union on correct bargaining agreement. Kile union ngone to engage employer on correct bargaining agreement gento KCPA. Ya protect our members and the welfare of our members across the specified time. Proposal ya union network county government long time ago. From that up to date tunatokuwa na county government yanya kuligeli was employer. This is what you have given and this is what we can give as a county government. Number two, failure to promote all nurses who are due for promotions. To whatever they have done 67%, which means 33% every carry working in the same condition, working for the same government. So we want the county government to address the 33% particularity. And what makes us very painful is etuachaka December tuanyekwana minus even salaries. Number two, etuachaka January whereby around 3.46 billion lying hydro in Central Bank of Kenya. Kisi county government that they would utilize because for efficient management of a government when they would address among these challenges that Kisi has. Among them is human resource. Number three, among the issues that connect you discriminate specialized care about special theater, oncology, and other specialization within nursing. But county government they ought to meet their services, but they discriminate to their rightful job groups.
Okay.
Number four, involvement anywhere involved in the requirement of medical insurance cover for our nurses and our civil servants. But it's very pathetic na insurance here first insurance is able to cover nurse bintu noko yende tago nyamache. So umuntu rwarire ubone to kwanda beyond nyamache. What do you do? Umuntu went to kwanda KNH. What do you do? So essentially, as we are speaking, to what insurance cover which is not working, error to siphon the civil servants' money. NHIF na increase medical allowance but we can't get that medical care that we need when we are sick. Number six, delayed remittances of statutory deductions. Which the effect is penalties to our members. Those penalties one are currently TSC. In Kisi county government and the county government mono. TSC ekero loan. Interest here lower by around 15%. And nasi ekero loan at 17%. The reasons being the banking institutions in county governments because by couldn't meet loans earlier, timely the way it's supposed. So that's why interest rate compared to other civil servants within the structure like teachers because we are working on timely. Number six, failure to implement new SRC structure. SRC by September with the circular. A coin increase to all civil servants. Other counties have implemented. Kisi County try implement, and this is a policy ye government itself. Ne government, this was not, no unions were not participating. It's normal that every year, as a single Karansere, where they can increase the pay of civil servants by increasing, by advise the county government that implement by circular. But up to date, as I'm speaking, Kisi county government are adhere to the circular. Number 7, shortage. To what a shortage of nurses, whereby this means nurses 46 of them are out. Universal health coverage nurses are out. Now walk about sound fast, so that as they think to now employ, it will be much better. Alongside that, now then at 3.46 billion, idle in the Central Bank of Kenya, and this one 3.46 billion. Narusi 46 years ago, they'll be sorting these issues of human resource within the nursing structure. But because of inefficiency in working in the government, that's the reason why nurses will suffer and Kisi residents suffer. Finally, to convert universal health coverage nurses to P&P. Abantu abakuchitereza bakora under universal health coverage nurses yaba. Bakore contract for 6 years. About the first 3, and which is against the law. PNP permanent attention. Chigas Jogodum is a government structure.
Yes.
And number 9, failure to register CPA for the second, failure to implement a CPA nurses by negotiate a covered label at national material benefit from it. Counties are supposed to adapt it so that the Naimtwe don't benefit from that CPA.
Are these nurses under the national government?
Yes, there are nurses who are under the national government, like Blood Bank and the rest. Who are under the national government. It has been done. And finally, failure to implement 7 targeting structure. This one promotes progression in career. So among all these issues, 10 of them, 2 included one on this strike, only one county government it was struggle to address within 2 years, almost 2 years and a half. Issue of promotion. Then again, the was struggle, and is struggling. Yani, we support the strike. His Excellency Paul Simbarati and his entire government came to address among human resource and promotions. From the governor himself, deputy governor, county assembly, all the ministers were there to address one item, a promotions. And after the entire government came to address promotions, they have done 67%. Like you ran them. Even if we give Paul Simbarati benefit of doubt, 100 years to rule us. Now,
Nancy Kiribau, Happy New Year. Ronaldo Bravo, they were following the conversation this morning. Dennis Musira is a regret that health was devolved is still in shambles. So I wish the counties could once and for all handle the matters on human resources. Namaiko, good morning. Jonas Ochara, I wish you are entirely to explain the issues in Ekebusi so that what water was here and Monabusi, Sawasawa, we've seen your concern. Namongoni ever out along we worked in December 2020, received pay slips and we were not salaried. Namongoni ever. Now, that's why we can much more what the issues is it's more to address. But there are more 2 months later, what the issues is coming. Secretary, for how long issues as you get accumulate and the concerned personnel, the management, public service, if any of them can be sorted?
Tuatemire Joan Kotema gukwana na county government problem eroro niga na bonda tebenga problem eroro abantu batakire bakora decision making from one person oroche tubwate body a body libage kuisaranse kwa into bia ekanyetete bigwe 8 from the governor nga promote abantu 50 a minister libage ko kulinga abantu bale department yae mbaba promoted atagetachi kuboli governor ngaki ndutagete auto promote li abantu yani everything evaluated babuli umugavana. So sometimes ngusi kumanya ki umugavana na ata eti authority the department chikore egasi yabo. Orote na tuende tuisaranza tuwa discuss igoro ya promotion with the board. A body ikaranza yabatengo tema turi gukora. Eko genda so umugavana batebi karara atige bintebi karabira ngora. 3.6 billion jire idle in the bank. Kitakiri ko ba withdrawn to the central bank jira neguchioro. Nani mutagete batebiwe. So ebintu byonsi uze kuligereria a government na refit we have engaged them exhaustively lakini mbatageti ko tokonya ende tokora mangana yaiga. Muna bonte na rakuboli. Issues of promotions. Ji promotion yeji nege ento ketakiri okoru because ye budget nero county assembly wetie budget asamangana a human resource abantu aba promoted. Body okonyoranga ki temaitingangi wente kokora asinga kigete epwente kutora data from every department abantu barenga batakero ko promoted bato county assembly ya itichibese icho togoja ebintu biri mu employment a body epwente kumanyanga deficit kichira se department ya budget ebintu byonse tuiseranze twakwane na barabo lakini ekero kurigerera biya panta bambabu ati bakaliyo gotaka gukora indu byao ebakanyete batebi ngaki yana mu promote abantu egino roro muchando nande nabutuka twagamba taranga ntu wanana lakini baikasegete ose bagote nga yaya igasi moko atere yatakire mokore tiago promote abantu abu karagenda gentu gete so nyoranga guyare behind ebintu ebinge sikaunti njiro roboni ngate ko account mina Machakos account mina Kiambu etietare asa mangana yoko yobo nyagitari want to zinga a body to kora nyirera ko benchmarking oro so that bamanya ngi ba kora ikiaga umuntu togo problem no ne kremna bantu risk koiga the problem is the body event you don't go to kumnyoka ninga ki ndio katara excuse about yo ndio nyagitari ya gure takire kwa gacho ebioka ebintu ra complain lakini ya mangana yo promote yo kolika yo paka na next training mbana okora oya mnaro boli ya bugoro HBS ya 2020 HBS ya 2020 December ntia sogata isiko epesiri
lakini msahara tesoetia account
manyanga HBS chipaka bone serikali eliete tebu atene explanation ngaki HBS ina ichi achiete bateme kinyo yonsi mondo naro re serikali eliete mitinyi baketana ndabu atene explanation wene kero kuboli ebintu ebyo byarekananga kero kende toraba bisabe serikali na bana inchi abategererete mbaigwete ngaki ebintu tokubo tari tokuboli bobe no eninkari bwo abana ngo ba promote omwana kwa mukini kwa mogongi kwa mutiko mogongi kuro kwa muire school koko ike school akora ngobeire ndakiyo kwaruka kwa muira bwaruka that's a promotion oko omwana opako iko okoraki onyoma okonyoma ogenda bwoye it is the same nine to kwa promotion was kebi wango kogenda umusara uzikoliye richon obosoku sana nga banyagitari account eno enda wero ni ebengi bakogokana kikosi mbali shwanga nocho chibesia unchichi yakanu boni go mutinyo munangu kwa nega chanyuali umusara December wakande bank loans NHIF ani chonse toko nga statutory deductions njira akanu ntegi chibesia chigandete go chitara akanu cha December e banking go wakaniere interest kali ngankende chibese chino chiri chionsi eserekali chibuate but bono mojano ngaki gavana ngo akana tori chibese chironi okoteba yakana baenda bakana so omuntu eserance in the office ako chibese chiserekali but tenyo tinga chibese ngo akana chire timely kama ngitingo musara ngo akana timely oroche boniga baka bantu bande barusi moyo nga it is better bo munya biasara okokora indu bya okubwaka bo munyagitari akaronya kuganyirira umusara omuntu origeto omuntu wepya pyo koira ego ikinga kyo mwaka nchibesiae kwanyanga tubwachi basowakana so account government ito umuchando nororo timatinga abantu they were not expertise asa mangana human resource ekia kangontori skoboniga oroje o abantu chi promotion o abantu umusara SRC ekunga Salary and Remuneration Commission ekarosa akiro mutinyo saba n'abantu abakiro montamentu akabesa paka balimu abantu bande yabeire yaikeraniri n'abalimu lakini ntuka kisi county karatasi iyo kakonye implement ya beiro mochando igo batagete baburi ngaki abana irubendira ngaki tokurikora kima timo mochando bono nase ngenjo ngabana ubwate chinguru kerase pakaso umuntu atakira kore gasi yani isa karari ku Nairobi implement ya sinyire egende kende mo chairman yate abayigoro ya CPA ekwanire rugoro tukaigwana nangaki ebe implemented pakesa arasi arure rirube ngaki titubwati mochando chibesa nchiro abantu abakana Kisii county government yakaba miuchi sase bali ono sinyire nga nkiyoke ainya saega ngaitwara goreti buga nekono kie ya bete pakataro chi story gochi jo ani nte ko tebi na intwaba na gitari ngo photo inarigere bya gazeti gazeti ya rero tari nganko ngene linde Kisii county eto last number 5 kusika samangana ons development kiregento nechi besa ngore na chichi ko 3.5 billion gochirogoro Nairobi na Kisii county tebwati mochando na besa boni gamagendero tayo tikachirane abanyagitari tole para no muntu ngukware asengenji obonyagitari takoreki otayo na titu gitari jitu tete kote abachoni into edite into abanyagitari goeta mate ndo ndugini mbito ikomanya mate kato tinya gitari no boso kusane nyagitari no ni rangi yana gwakwa nyagitari tsari gete chinchafu lakini umuntu bata bangambe Minister of Health oboso kusana ekato enganda national government chibese chiaka tomiru oche facility nyagitari ero siriere biya kiregento kirebia so we are surprised ya bana inji anabo tukumiti toko na kolera kolende tiatolere ya sengenje ya ino
now Paulson sisi tukonya kogenda kolere kuzinechi county chinde sijio Mambei sijio nini nje kuliri our sister county Nyamira county around last month na baramumbara litumugiro kwa protest poka samaga cha assembly mugaba na baadaye na libaka barangiri bakatwara kuigwana so far have you tried to compare the issues na the way they were solved Wochase county ya Kisii mwatemire ko we barabwebire rubyabo mbere bibyarenge because I'm sure you share na so far byabere ko implemented gusena barabwe expecting another strike for wasibale then byabo byabere implemented bono mutenda ko deba ngabande bakore ndundura korero chitoro chiro no Nyamira ne chitoro nchiro tiana tenga neme chano chairman ti county ye mochano Nyamira nkorera bantu tete bakwanire ayo moyi ukonero ko rumugaba no ranyu tesira buya piritoni arayo no chi ko na bale mechando nero now mwatebire noenda bateresa setnyagitari nigo baraba kya bandi bako work extra hours bandi baranyora promotion but issues echiga how do they affect the patient na the patient na robomo moro iro nyagitari no they abantu bagenda to nyagitari this the staffing and the working conditions chia nasa which can affect because directly na to ko rumuntu kumeni no
mwananchi moro
na mwali ete iranga we are going to protect the lives of the people when you doing this don't you feel remorse or guilt or
aronte te bachwani ikenegente kebe ngomoro irago nyagitari yokwa asengenje umunyagitari ataraikirani wa magani yaye so manyanga barabumba kumeti boni guze kwenda nechi hotel restaurants bagenda ko discuss ibintu binga bago yakana chibeza tole isiko muriro gendrete guko so into igwete bobe no intwe kyagero mwana inchi na umiete lakini rende mbago kora ibintu ibwango tuira negas baije no ndero tukwana barabu tuibwanane we will go back to work tari ngane chibeza sibote ko sino na intu tokongete ngani etoro orochi torisiko iganga ubasinyiruko kuigwana na ndigo soka posa igo batirinde ntugwete bube na into abanyagitari because abantu abaguku banyora abandi baraba iri baito and it looks bad genege ntekebe
well Paulson
yes
mwatemere wikira the people from management mutemo kwana nero gusembi tango kimwaetire bakamwamwire ngaki aba if the only language bakoigu no mogomo gatogenda mogomo tango kibia beri bakamwamwire ai ni lazima tuligo
na secretariat ya vile chini serikali chile cha county government number 2 kere strike go chaga there is a process process twakorete twaba engaged. They're not giving a substantial way forward. Twaba serve strike notice twanyesabite on 18th December. 18th December mpaka tarehe 12 there was no attempt from the county government of Kisii otana kiaya magania mugwate na genuine injito ikaranzi to yagayane tukuri nakikiaga district ya chakire maybe ntabinde kwa hol bya Nyamira ndogutaga kwana Nyamira because Nyamira gwata baraiba but na suspect about their suffering. They are suffering no kubona bagwana ne still there is a lot of suffering na suspect Nyamira again to kentu ngotera na the compromised care to the patient yani okora ligojeso murero komia mono ese nyegitari ya dispensary wala tutwara abanyegitari star usibana minimum yobwate nasi ya ono yanasi yunangu kwana yere almost saa tatu tarai kagasi which means umurero urwari tekote ketekora nyokari aranyora first care makora ngayago swara buche tararaka which means serikali igendereta tuwatena mbwate opportunity to employ serikali yache tena platform to help people ekonya abantu employ una tukwa na iga serikali tera employ no moto yo togende KTRH na renye Italia na tulige KTRH na structure yabe there is new entongeo kiara usiri wokere kegen turatena ki for the first 2 years che serikali ya sote entongeo kile kegen na sisi tuwalinge 1200 kero sisi US China contract 1200 wono yaturi nasa 800 which means nurses 400 waruswe system on various issues either dismissed mbaro bari tayire mbaro wachire school and mbaro bari sign ko kabanyana government tetagit kono place ya kwanza 400 bara ya population ya itegende to kina every day and then dojo na Joan mambia maybe this year tonyore another population again kina which means the government's not very keen to ensure services are offered well. Finally, naro chino magana ito kwa na magana insurance to kana magana target setting and performance contract naro chiro ligoda na and all civil servants maambia when to chango sign performance contract they will sign in between the year chaka early the year which is July 2024 June 2025 ono timaitina contract usign yogongi kuchokora because you may etoko set against targets so yani na terna ne serikali chito mono Kisii County. Let me talk about Kisii County government ne bwate mechande menene.
Alright, ambia mwana wake gimo mwancho murigerelio Kisii TV ogandate kubwate murobere bwenyo ni mambia rero me studio ni gombwate abateresa se studio yega no munyakero gwa abateresa sorusagirwa busi no yega no mutenderi gwa abateresa usumuriki gwekyombe kya abateresa sorongorwa busi na nigo babere bakunyara kurari mu birogo yobe to kunyara mu cyaka stati kumenesa te bikiga bitukore Jumatatu negative rero bagwate na bebe goro chibagendate kubikwanera emambia rero mbano mutendo chegari Facebook Simon Mugaka gotebanga loud and clear kutoka Kibabii Bungoma nurses deserve better Nyandika Bena gotebanga kuruogembo Omosora Nyamache sub county and journalist Nyandika Ben watching you live asante sana Frederick Ogembo agoteba kuruna Kuru City weikanya keyo onkubokia chifuka noare tuned alafu yule mmoja agoteba tuned in from KSA Jiria Kirbo agotebanga listening from Ngombo Manama Background Kingdom weikanka Kisii County Kanyimba Mwakiaga village nwara kubati omoroberio Eric Jackson alright agotebanga Simba 5-10 sawa alright Dixon orwaro agotebanga this will be the mother of all strikes but that is what you always say each time when you go to protest whatever this is the mother of all strikes nende mambiende mutware ekwerende mokore Dixon orwaro ochare goteba this is a government that doesn't understand anything in public service labor laws or anything a lot of PRS, the none be still we will support you fully. Edina Maiko Whatever this government is dwelling on the misplaced priorities. As nurses, we have suffered a lot. Anjindege, whatever on promotions, why is the Public Service Board not following the nurses scheme of service? Lilian Machago, whatever salary should be paid by 5th of each month. Morin Moranga, whatever let the nurses CBA be implemented, all right. Alafu Reverend Richard Isago Kimuseti, whatever following you live. Now, these are nurses now. We are really disappointed. But now, I'm sure you don't just wake up one morning. I'm sure you talk to some professionals, was it Union Chinde, no MPDU, was it Kuko, clinical officers, maybe it doesn't happen that way. We'll say what is their opinion, how did they advise you on the same? Because I remember last time you people backed out on them. Are they supporting you this one?
Okay, with this one in to target support koru any other union because our demands echire tofauti na abande. Ande egento kende ngelinga musiko gendo mogiro muri mwensi amo serikali ndaisire kutumeka aba mubabo ko severerani. Abe kurangiria abaige batenga tu abaire gente gete inutiga abaiga. So maganyita are tofauti na yabo. Ababu nabono clinical officers ngo ndabara mugomo tarehe 19 amagania bare tofauti na yaito. So agendo ngelinga ki ekera abandi bako no mugomo onte yotakire bachegia abantu sinda bantu mugomo onte yotoche onte yokobachegi na service chiri bakuru onte yogosa interview amuna bono se kwenda nyagitari clinical officers or doctors mbali kwa services tia nurses na into ekera bachire ntorigo kuna services tia aina ramaskan to bwate. So wikira igamna toriga aitu chite mna nurses korengana na magania ito lakini manyanga kedungio tare saransa serikali ko babori ko sekobate mna bono imagine 23rd December nalitu abate strike notice ebwata magania aya mpaka boniga serikali tirato kwande turangalinga inchungu tukwane lakini abantu baito mbagendete guku etukumeti.
Aba Teresa contributes a lot in the health sector. Carlton, I'm asking you this question because last time I didn't have we are tired of seeing people go to strike over and over again, especially over the same issues. What are some of the systematic changes so that we avoid further strikes? Because at the end of the day, every day they are protesting. We don't want to see our colleagues, our friends every day protesting that we need our rights. Of course, we deserve our rights because this is our country. Into better services. But what are some of these changes? I'm sure we could have a better service.
Emegire na bego chakobo na inde take coherent time so this county government because of ineffectiveness of the government saying enjo tuarengo mugiro November tuatimuke December jano no mugiro tore kini ko sazi barengo mugiro around on October Monday to go chaka 4 days to go chaka barumulu una to chaka to mumotara 13 lab technicians eba kure to mugimo eba kure to mugiro itu chumatate una to go cha eba kure to go chaka doctors before lab technician doctors mbata ko no mugiro banande bakajutika nande mbali mugiro mwako yuera mbali ene migirange ebere which means na county government health ya basinyire lakini ko ntuat ko gerege kiano kwa national government, but there is a process and it's a tedious process whereby it's a political process. Sometimes we are very political. Sisi sabata professionalism okonye babuate chingu chinge kusisana naba na siasa. So injina ngo plead to the President of the Republic of Kenya to turn back to the Health Service Commission, whereby all human resource aspect, employment, designations, promotions, kile gento kebe done centrally. Counties chia make that circular to implement. But if we allow every county equally to be implemented, then Kenyans are therefore shocked and that's the only solution indicated from the unions that even the for uniformity purposes. Kegara enasi kare sioro neka enasi kare Rwanda maate Bungoma stay back koirwa bache the same training but stay back cover treated differently enasi Kisii enasi Nyamira. I'm telling you treatment here different una secretary atema governor si abange baraire ebaganyete mwakonde batabukezi bale chibese chigende tukoirana and my queue chibese chikoirana ichi will affect the capitation ya county government ikacho cha kutumana in the next financial year because when you went to 10 billion you are not able to utilize 3.5 billion. Next time chigo cha 10 billion they might come less than 10 billion. And finally both I want to be fair to all of them, both national government and county government, Kisii and national government. Look at the quality of leaders, including ministers, directors, chief officers, and compare to previous governments. Yani is a big joke. Na secretariat yaba, a minister one we got to atara to gaeta yabe, Marani, Iranda, KTRH, Induru, Ero Rosana. Yani Induru nenye nyombea gachiro biya, patiro Rosana. Kerega banarwa chinsi kwacha na naro che Induru genda to kora bi serious. E kora bi golu no Rosana, abantu bacha gukora basimeke. Koko genda yabe chikaplos yabege chikaplos taking millions but no chikoni mbabwati no nesi bakora baruye. Enye gitari at least ya kumachikoreka Marani lakini ya gachi too long time ago na previous government no fence no na direction no koveke signage na ndu Marani nye gitari yero chia na bora yete uri Marani nye gitari yebuli. So it's pathetic situation to him. The only thing is the president to commission I do a directive, presidential directive that Health Service Commission have in place so that it can tackle all issues pertaining to human resource.
Nale gikutwara abateresa the nurses the junior staff bali motenenete nale gikubabulingana ki where is the problem? Is it the leadership yanan is it the leadership yanan from the national government? Is it the Ministry of Health or national government, or say Ministry of Health or say county? Is it a governor or say public service board? But because who's the problem? Is it the governor? Is it the public service? Is it the Ministry of Health as a county or say national? Because they've been telling you they from national, we will be able to solve. But county, not common when it comes to implementation. Meanwhile, the director ngiri roboti rwa Diana Sagwe rwa kwa kuri matatu botwe guru y'umugiri wa Teresa okoranyana nabo kunyara wonke kutobeto kunyara kutegera chinkwa na cyaro.
Bicho ni gendo ndayite goteba before ncha gendo kinango goteba my chairman yateba. Inya gitari nabone montaite ku example egenderete biya is Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital MTRH Eldoret. Enya gitari eriboniga tibe sanchiro rochi tua kwanete tomento yaba mentire bonsi MTRH no nasi tagete kogenda America tetageti because bali bia mogomo ngwana ku MTRH ebwate asengenjo yake amangana abo ebanya ikiranti ase corrective bargaining agreement okoigwana na kolikoli ikirenze nga emyaka yiga tibesa toba mendete ejikorani emyaka 3 e promotion tobaite ekorani emyaka 3 nande mune koera baisaransa baigwa nande ba menta nyagitari paka boniga tiyanya gochio mogomo nande nere the best hospital Kenya ngima bono ngonye ti county mna bono Kisii twabaire egente kiga gisaini kuruguru ba implement bakore igo nyasaye matokora mogomo kisi on access mbake myatu etatere nando tebani ngabono egente ki expire nando tomente kento getomente kuchimutu nando we will continue kisi will be the best county aso cover services na into toko gendera kekora ase omo catapult wanaine ebintu mbyo bindi tukwanti goro yoko korera barwaire bono egente kunna geta saini ige kabo mochando nyagitari echo nagotebi example na MTRH kwana korra kero kende nyagitari nga abanyagitari ba national government ba konde strike mbana koenda asenge nje bintu binke baigwana nete umusare bagwaka mpaka tarehe 28 ale pinta le 5 ntukisi umusara pako gwakanu tarehe 20 na andi bagwaka tarehe 20 mbaka ne pironi bakwato umusara yokuruku net igero ni cyo gwakanu after the same 2 months kwanza kwa darji message kuri save nkinga turaka na loan interest iko na gukina so igebi interview na bibato muchando na biro egento kene gwabo uri swali omuchando public service board the national government neruwete resources ekaru human resource kiregento a board nereta kiri guisalanse amanya abakori mate board irite nireta abakori emeremo ogwachiri mwajiri wetu nerebende kumanya abantu babe promoted bamentu besagete bali ikwe muntu getabe kwasegete igana bakini bwe birogo iga iya itoga busongo eine miuchiza igo sometime umugabana umatira murande mumuburi ababuri ebodi imwanya gukwana nero Nairobi because in public service commission back automatu yua SA county public service board bono e problem eroronga ne libatate biringanki ba kora gose bagotebi gotna bono strike ba kare kuburi umugabana ngitoko kora ngakitoko kora abatebi kera a body ere independent umugabana ororo ni kana agenda na bakunyitiga baka terms chaeli ibo muchando ndatebe public service board eri intelligence to kora to abaire to batebiri egente kene na gitu asabire but they have not done.
Wow. Phantom.
Yes.
Nayo minekero wa abateresa suru sayerosi. Na in fact as latest as last week namuro tumu governor we county ya Kisumu Paul Simbarati kakotara kinyagitari au in fact hata pale KTRH no ali ngaka tebango cha kia nyagitari ya mother and child igendrete kwa gacho na asetu abelito kunyakoro mu governor kakokora kanya kumutawukwanira enjira abereka kunyara bakora bijya asset sector yobochemu. But at the same time, when we are for sector when you are on ground, they are here complaining, arranging protests, strikes, left, right, and center. Of course, on our own, the Cortegas, 2020 basically, especially January, they were more in December. Abana kwenda bari school. Emotionally, I can say from my conclusion, emotionally and physically well-being, you are down. Now, okay, I motivate you not to so much. How do you deliver health services and perform so well? Baka governor nasip the health services, but at the same time, mifuko imekauka. Namna that one you're having those issues. Unless you're telling me there is a lie somewhere. Either the nurses are lying or the governor is lying.
Joan, ebintu mbira bibere gente kama na serikali kintu kena afanye abakoligas nyagitari ya mother child nyagitari ya gaje tu kare you're almost 99% complete igente serikali kwa takora want to tell number 1 are they prepared about the equipment she went to go mother child hospital get that's a building and a structure magana oxygen naga nerwe na equipments vekwo serikali na kwa rebinte biyo equipments. Number 2 abakoliye gasi baguchokora mother child kaibale by now county government ya Kisii by advertising ama bagano 1000 eteki precaution ya saba public service continuous to lend them na abantu bamentu is mother to child minimum to be create abantu around 600 so that abantu bagende civil service abantu bayikole nyakitali around 300 nurses up to date ndurara gente kina kwa secretary watanaki a body and struggle to an story look at the indicators because a governor wana blanket statement that he of calling the body. Lakini ndio nekero kuri indicators. Ekero kongi on nursing services, even the immunizations. Ngaitu arenge ngaitole. That's what we are now to discuss specifications. Delivery services. Ngaitu arenge ngaitole. So generally services together kwenda nse. Number 2, tuobana tena into na media totale si you look at ekero tuwa mutara morara mabera sabantu baitu. Abantu baite prime time yetuko tebana okwana nyitali okanya chinsa chiri okuganya chiabe chintambe abakonda KTRH bono mambi saa 3 uchoro saa 11 abantu barakwenda KTRH mambia ande bakwira na basirero bakusira chilaini tutayitukona people basirire sengenjo barabakugenda because abantu barabange abanyitali barabake on the process you to go for one department or single consultation with your lab in between wo ke lab abande banganiga o takes le abande banganiga anda ko bugimabwatsirira no nyotara badmitted so unega bana kwana blank statement but ikatogora to specifications of the indicators status Kisi County Chirains. Kisi was among the giant as a immunization was number 1 nationally kelwa kyoko gare ngobna director national but bono una tukwana tuliisa mono ikyo moiso governor obere gagotera okomo omusana una obwibi bwale ngono bukurumi na rusadia baiba agatache pipe chipesi chacha lekorogana chipesi chiarwete 47 around 40 million per quarter chikagenda mpaka 200 and around 40 million because na leta maraika achanga musire bintu chibesa njiro chibesa chiko chiarrekanire enki chiko kora KTRH because KTRH na very made the same staff si bagenda tabokia lakini chibesa chinchi kora kwa swachire because we are not a profit making hospital. Finally ntaito kunyore mugabano wetu ask to the promises ya healthcare workers because yeye ndatu tebeti ntuketu alenga alimo bagani ya ndiruguru atu tebeti na bakole akucha kolega simbaka maraika ikake chingobi echi na bondo che nangu dautinde because I'm a Christian last day ndo che kokoreka. I want to be fair to him that last day kokoreka nande muinyolna tiga a delegate and authority officers so that the delivery for the remaining 2 years but otherwise kisi na bila chebeko
ainche choni ndungina comment na my chairman yatebire nabono keretu abwatu mukutano litukoria Monday abanyagitari mbaga chiri sana abanyagitari ababerire KTRH for even more than 10 years na romo gavana eria chakaenda KTRH agateba ngenya gitari ya abana bagakure lituko 40 manyitekero kwana abana bagakure lituko 40 yani ni mboli mwana inji otegererete gakina robegete no nipiga pigia sege totegererete yani goteba abana bagakure 40 ikinege mpige maite gakino isaransa no na bokarikitio bekinge that say lie abana umatirandekera abana bagukwa mari ngoteke meringa condition kienge umungina bagochoro sete aya umungina gose onyoru umwana utaikireniti amatukari yae gose umwana uyo tukakabwate chi abnormality KTRH yari ngonye nyagitari nere gokore gasingia se in terms of maternity KTRH ngotemere gokora bia igo ekera goteba ngabana bagu ku 40 it means singa baise ku 40 rende in a month garatiga igani ndikina ta to kotengi ntukuria kwane kiko demoralize abanyagitari kiagara nabo bari baro kendo kyo ya chenjiri ebagwendete ko kya instead kero te abana bagu ku 40 igo abana bagu ku ne month it is 1200 kango kenye ngima no neti kwenderia USAID the organization UN kango ya chire bosonga eboringa ki how come ndete koko tebi umwane kera kuro yomo KTRH yari maternity ani bo nyoruo manyi umwana ningo isaransa muri mu isaransa mokore matan ani audit muri kenze paka motume to DHIS ase chi report chiko iru omwana uri paka no maite kwende tenete health ekorokungaki ekoroku kwende paka chiapa yusi ngonyora chiri report paka chiniva enyora report ngakuru Kenya asa abana bakwete toto abake barenge kose 100 igoyo kisi na report so omaiko reporting kuru kisi in a month it is 1200 children bakwete yani gojitiga abanda abana bakumanyete it is not omwana eserikali yakoba serious kumanyanga why ekero mwana akure maternity no nekero monta akotengechunga report kitokulika nga kitogokora so yekero mugaba nita kwana in a day 40 children baenge guku kenyage kone kagintu kike gutwaka riko na ni gintu kende bano mongine kera kure okay inga mbarabiba baenge guku aketi mbarabiba baenge guku
onya okeri abana baguku bakasaba amani Gavana 7 times 30, that is roughly 280.
Joani no gote baba na 7 kubareka itiareji you know okuno boske community abana 7 ngo ibaru bago maide bintu ndiro sometimes politician tuaro lebintu bago tebi abana inje gine gente kebesana gotebi umata abandu ngabana 7 bakworo manyo mwana naboke itiareji ale ni piwira rituko umwana ndande umwana uyogoku umwana uyu nabwate mechano itanyi na choro sete umwana we bamukorere egende ku ngalisa station bachire kotema kumotema gose na piki osinyire gose umwana uyu iburukare abnormality obwato mochano gete umwana ugakuirwa ni piyu gachikotema osinya ose etokinga umwana uyu iburu ataikiraneti kakina bwabu lakini gotebanga no 7 abana ngokeiri mpaka 7 ngakiago ke bono nkieka akora bakea because abanyagitari bari baroro ande bakete chimashini chiroro sikuisi abangina ba improve at least abangina nganda bare clinic baigeri rera abangina nabo mungina bagocha clinic biya iyo na abangina bari bamangana HIV na keigwa sikuisi abangina bakonyora abana biya so we wonder abantu bari bakomuka na 13 information yonye kwa na KTRH abanyagitari nase simbaga echirine statement yeyo egekogera ekere nasi egosoka kuru KTRH yakoreka nga aho yakora KTRH yari asabana baguku 40 per day ekinke igentokia kiroki namo sorranga ki ase bintu byonsi pie karagocha KTRH ndutari ondo totoma toreka nga gosenge togotete ya muntu gite kenteki ngekogenda banyagitari buya.
Alright, Diana Sagwe nabaga kunyara kwariganira gutwariganira roboti goro yo mugiro kwa batere so runte tutobe to kunyara gutegerera aseda ikaiga alafu to koira nantanyari koligerera now for how long mubange to goswa so mugiro what are some of the risks what everything nayo if it means tuende hata miaka 5 mpaka wasikize vile robeto we are going to do the same especially nurses have been stricken once mukabutwemere mabange sana nabandi bataranyara koira na chigasi and at the same time of course mwacha munyare gukwana omwana incho kawaida mumotebengana ki nto barengerete lakini rende yaikire situation yabeirega twarenge mwanja motoremera ni senge nje sababu yeneye munyare na into kunyara gutusira asumugiro ega that is those are some of the messages ndaga ni munyare gweti and of course nindo cyo jumbe kirekirega na mabore na rororo ndo kunyara gusanga na kunyara gusoma kurenda siboniga oregano roboti robetero kunyara kwariganirwa na Diana Sagwe.
Ekiombe kya bateresa gose Kenya National Union of Nurses nigo bagoserere guchikogoma gwansa chiriki 19 umutinyo yo kinga kibabete bakora gwase chingwana chabo no muri kyomane na se kyombeke Joseph Ngwasi ritkolera remeye county ya Kisii nigo bateresa bacha komogrobo asaba kwe murunganiro gotekerana gwamagani yabo boiga makongo ibagwetera kinga kibara semeremo sabano bachikire go chigota ko romogroyo se bachikire go romogroyo weka barigererwe wekeranu.
Already we are on strike and we are in it and we are not turning back unless the county government start to engage us and implement the issues that we have raised.
Nigo baro kubolia gochase serikali ya county ya Kisii yo kuragwa no mugavana Paul Simbarati ko igweberero byabana mano ko bakonya kwira nemeremo mnenchira ya moyo konya magima y'abantu abange.
I want to tell the governor of Kisii County government and the Public Service Board that when the nurses are on strike, it means it is the county government of Kisii who are on strike. So we don't want our patients to die. Let the county government of Kisii implement what we have violated, and we have given them the demands. So we don't want our people to suffer, but those who want to access services, let them access in private hospitals, because the county government hospitals, they are not working.
Wana nigo bene kiribena bateresa korwa se county ya Kisii nigo bareska somogro ase bakwe murunga de kiriabna nigo batumete yuko gocha serikali ya county ya Kisii. Igoro yebirero byabo ibiwe kabono bitaranyara kurigererwa asabana bariro kubole gocha somugavana bwe county ya Kisii kurigererengana neje bwekeranu.
Leo wauguzi wote kote nchini Kisii wako mgomo. Na wako mgomo kwa sababu tuliandikia serikali ya Kisii County tarehe 23 isikize matako yetu ambayo tulikuwa tunahitaji watuambie. Mpaka leo hii hakuna mtu ameita union kukaa chini waongee hiyo maneno. Wauguzi wasipokuwa kazini hakuna kitu kitaendelea hii county. So naomba gavana, kama unapenda watu wako wa Kisii County, sikiza matako ya wauguzi warudi kazi. Kama utasikiza watakuwa nje hata kama ni miezi 10. Nimeona county zingine watu wamesikizwa wamerudi kazi. Yeye ni nini ngumu? Na pesa naona imerudi national government mingi. Supea wauguzi pesa.
Sasa kuanzia usiku wa leo asubuhi saa 6 za usiku, hao wauguzi wote Kisii County ina masanati au hospitali 166.
Kure county ya Bungoma baigoni gabateresa banyaragwe sokia ekerenge ekene kwe murunganira sogotakindwe biro gase mirimo yabo.
We want assurance from the county government that for nurses to call up the strike, we want our issues, not an issue, not one of the 10. Our issues be addressed fully.
Diana Sawe, Kisii TV.
Alright, mbia mwana wa keki mwanchomo rigererio Kisii TV ogendete kubwati morogere gwenyone mambia rero norobotiro Diana Sawe ko Kisii County yoka Bungoma nkolera bare neti county chinde na barabumbiriro bare asensemo ya okwana rigoro yomugiro babateresa. Now nchake nensemo ya Facebook George Nyakundi agotebaiga. Some things are impossible. Have they sought to know the genesis of their problem? The other day, governors were going on strike for lack of funds from the national government. The big demands are frustrating. More but I think 3.5 billion CBK.
Ine report nonye kwendeka se nonye seti neliki nonye report nelikire. Oyo motevi amanya kichire sanchiroro.
The chair is too honest on delivery services which are poor. Where do we put the blame? Are they not killing our people through Okogechi Wakwao?
Again, serikali pate challenge, and we have tried.
Yes, serikali national or say county government.
As now we are talking about the county government.
Okay.
Because whatever it is essential, or the general whatever it is essential, which are utilized, to avail maganito, they are not dealing with those maganani.
Ndio kwa nini attention ya Moses Gaiga ameenda amesahau ameanza kuangalia screen kwa hiyo. Nataka urudi hapa. Dada Ruth ako watching. Haya sura mbaya Rosafi anasema kutoka Nairobi Mkuru kwa Ruben, Nonde Memorobilio Amoneli Cecilia Neline tamono mwana Belden Nyambarigaro. Dada Ruth nimekuona Simon Ongaga na Korode. Now wacha nikibie pale YouTube kidogo. Oyagotemanga, to our brave Kisii nurses, your dedication inspires us. Stand firm for what is just. Your voice matters and the community stands with you. Stay strong and united. Ronald Ohure agotemanga, how I wish issues to do with salaries be managed from the national government. Salary delays, promotions, redesignation,
redesignation.
CBA for members, new employees, etc. will come to pass. Elizabeth Onkomba talking about changes. Let the government listen to us. They have a good medical cover which takes them outside Kenya for medical services. Where by the common person is suffering on the ground. Aya 77 anasema ako watching hapa hivi. Now, how long more prepared kuna kugenda sumuli?
Nango teba this time round, because March was the agreement the county government of Kisii. Even the 7, nothing happened. November tukaswa Mugirundi, tukaikuwa ne county government ikakora igentekemo na nteko collectively. This time tuwabaire magani kianda na magani 10 turusie ya mabere kianda. Inchendo cho sokora kwa mne chairman the county government implemented interventions, then to consider kuya negas. Failure to do that, abira bako.
Of course, muna mwigule bado abagabana nawe barakunkolera bari ku state county sijui pesa zijakuja sijui murachi bakino public service board bali kabantu bla 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 lazima bali geribi bere bitatunga kibikunyara bakorekana. Again, my question, I repeat, what is your bare minimum for this time?
Ebinte bindate bechoan. Ebinte bintu bire expensive mono. Nebinde mbiro bitabuati nabone serikali eruete SRC esakura ya very implemented at counties nonye na national igatira implement ngikerege kon ekine gento bon to goteba ni nganto kera nabono nye Bungoma ya implement Kakamega Kisumu ngikisie kyagere kine gento kerure kurugoro ji promotion ne right ne richiko bon ebinte gento tanga ba implement ma to mundo na teba ngaki ase ebinte kianda musabete akiti kante membi kore nane nande tuigwana ngaki umutinyi gete chembi kore abikore oroje ebinte into bachibali moto so kepara so ebinte ebyo ndatenga ne serikali kodiri dali ebinte konya kubira ngora umwana inchi okotezeka tima itiaro ngamba chibatenga mbalenga bakure ikiagaranya abantu bakure abuna bubabaita tari ndu twabaita banyagitari igo ase ebinte ebyo nduto begete ebinte ebikianda nabire pea minimum ya itutobaete
Sote tusisolfwe ndo murudi amtaki
tiga nande joani ebintu bono tuturigeli ebintu bikianda very fast o promote batiga 33% chipesa nchiro wakane meshahara that's a product niggas abantu bakorete gas bakorete ubonto wakane ekintu bone tukukwanira amagana ko limit chipesa chitu wakane umushahara mbwate loan na KCB ko limit kuchise loan inigasi yao tari bone tu yani chinga kichama ka tu ko strike these things were not featured ndia ko featured as items Jesus strike itu ngo so strike usine ya shortage bone bintu turakwana ne binaki batote bona muna CPA through willing to at this timeline because CPA to kunya wikaza leo na lere to ku negotiate to tell us to but ringa kinga ne ku negotiate ebintu bono ku designate members ba chire muntu chira ko oncology theater nursing pediatric care ebintu bine bibu atieni financial constraint yene igormo ebine bintu tubona tukugamba na ne county government ya Kisii bunakora ebine bintu birebike otherwise igento gendo chikira tware challenge from the county government ne CPA negotiations which can be given time but ebine beyond na salary shortage kiregendo kine bintu tubeto hotela it has been hotel kirengaki
Teresa naro okoligerere tigali kera nga keri mwangire tabandi bakabutu chikasi batanye kweri na wikaboni gabana bakurigere batebe pato mbago kwegerera wale watanitetea wenyewe. What message do you have to them? Kera mbaro of course 1 out of 10 or ate was 2 out of 10 baroko achirira sana iko butwa bana bariki.
It's true. Nango tebaiga amukutano ole ngon Monday for the time to have a service as union leaders, it was enormous. Abantu bachete, no able to speak. Hearing like a political meeting. Abantu baringa bange yomo yoito bekeme clip wekyo nabaki beka byasa. Number 2, abantu ababitire nabagerere nasesi yaba promotions because njibuna ndoche onye tali unions chikonya kusukuma serikali yetu ya Kisii nabe kwa abantu ebintu lakini SPC ile ngora etaikera ni bwangu na tuwakaneti ebintu ebintu ne SPA na union igendete gusukuma ebinte ebi designation na union igendete gusukuma amagana salaries no bono ngotema ngusukuma turi bamachi gotema gwaka no bono bagantanga tare 12 igo bono ni yani ngotema barake lakini tete bairane umushahara kwa netu waka no tare tano when to work by 28 by the time ujo kuligas because national government iko na bili sina tatu sina ile wakoli ndio to work umutinyo bono nya January by 28 to work no umushahara usitwe by 25th esi watu ngota na union noel na birate egenda to kutendo maene wa members by na ndio no tori otetea esengejo bono na bono promotion banyolete as union officials and other union members were dismissed banyo the promotion but ndio wetu bina kina kitanyolete na abarisko bayi wetu na batanyolete iyo toza na kina bana bayira negas ogwaterane tugwaterana okwanye county ya Kisii
Duko ukautebanga this issue of governors crying foul of late disbursement of funds. Let all employees be paid from national government to promote equality. Iyo ne suggestion ya berega kunyara ko but sengenchi biro bya berebe kunyara kumnyaka kigima no chichitaika isane berchi aptukire guri chinsisa to chabo no mabi. Let us conclude enkwana yitenga emambi ya lero tushake na bwana secretary ujumbe yao guchase omuntu uri ukorigerere tinkagadi labdo tete kugenda clinic ya chiko konyo n'umwana koira usegwatira nitinko bamukyago cyose no mugo twatete gwitanye gitari gwite birukunyo gusa abantu mbaro babwatira yasumba sponage para batete ngamube mukunyara ko ba immediate care. As much as we understand ubande mbakaroro there is a role you play on the same nturanyara ko mutebya biga kunyara ko understanding na ki mam gusitata eko betere this time mutere nendo
gendo ndatebio mo tegereri ngeringa omogomo yotore talindu turi na serikali romogomo ande motorra bobe egekogera umuntu utasabetie kirekia gotokoegwa ndete kubatebinga serikali yeyo nyimubwate na inu chinguru tebio mugavana atebia abantu bae tuisaransi tuigwanane na mboniga abanyagitari mo kubanyara mambi bare gasi negendo kende ngeringa nurses mna moba manyete na abantu bakuru services ya sinyagitari chino bia na binte byonsi pimo kuyunga abana ngo kubareka itiarechi ya 40 mo basakwa bo agochanya gitari bana mbayo bagukugo kiagero nomo nenkwana ya bana siasa bagukwana kero kende barekane nga chinga kichina chichi yabo bagakora ibinto bia negento kende ngeringa ngakiende onsto gukora mogomo muri tayari gochenya gitari kende kura yunga no migire mono karamnyo Kenya gitari ere private yangagu ende mo kore kwene negento kende ngere na ngukwana Joan ekemo government yetu ya faili asoko make umwana inchi goteseka sana mna bono amangana okonyoranga umuntu agoku chiene chavi chiga moro chibinte mbiri kwa kana pesa bia umuntu agoku kwa makonyore nyagitari ebwate bill ya 10 million abantu moni amaremaye abantu muri gichange chibesa mutindike majibesa ndi mwatindikira ni umuntu uri gochinze serikali nene itakiri kuri ni umuntu gakureta kwa 10 value tatakiri wakani gubese ndio cyata goisi atakiri ko umubirori osoke kore utakaniri besa ikiagara ukubeteri umuntu wakane piri ya 10 million etakiri mo umuntu yore moyo ndio ria akane chibese icho you see abantu itu babere subjected yobutaka aso wakana chibiri chire igoro igo abantu baminto na ina maganyani mutakiri kurikira guchi aba MP baino bagende batebe parliament umubere ko umuntu gakureta gwakani gubese nde yonse neba ne piri ere igoro aina na ngo batebia moto rabobe tebio mugabana ngaki mutagete services chingia asoikeneria magani yabanyagitari na bali murenga chirenga ngo batebia na beranga mpaka mwatebiri ulitu komokwira negasi ekiagera serikali tiraba tayari kubakorera yatakire yes
all right
na inche ngeli bageli number 1 wakera abateresa na nurses wants to Kisii county mbiamono si support to genda tokonyo kurusimuli ande mbiamono ande genda kubwaterera abo senge njuna twaligereri na community entire society behind you number 2 na nkosorora umugabano ito simbarati that still no what time wana n'abantu bao be board, wana ne Mother Ministry, Minister of Health, na kwana County Secretary. Ntumaite buna tuwanja mwanja lazima tuumerane tukwandira magana aya affected nurses. Kwana abantu bao ne board etwara moyo who promote the welfare of civil servants, our nurses and the others, so that tekado chukoma na ukwana tukwana ntu wane second na hande bintu tukwana bikorekane elinda abantu baitu bera negas elinda balori baitu genda konyo services kawaida ekyo moiso ngena ngoto yabuna in case kuiwana ngoyo nurses baitu mwendera ko baisiko kogoson koyo kuragenda against maminja ye ekene kiao abantu abatura n'abandi barisiko babu turese myaka ye bono mwaka wa 5 turigireti ari okubutu okubutwa no kolengera mono toko basaba mugende ku support eri no monyore ebitu bimutegete kyo muiso pinanga tabye gabana ntegete umwaka oyo Paul Simbarati amaraika alike agwake chingobe onye kokoro byese ngoro yawo wenshwe onye kokoro byese ngoro yawo wenshwe nurses barabara dismiss na UST barabara negas ya minimum baira negas wakora mnali ubwangete tumwira negas una chama ya nurses lakini nurses barabara isiko wabutire babere isiko for 5 years abaka support bakwete chukura chia bagwite mabige ntuko oligeria sengoro yawo implement na kwa batezi baira negas bagandira ukore gas elinde na intunto chenge na marika na wake chingo yamuno kenya saba sise
Mwana wake maso kunyara ko chase studio emambia rero nago kireko bagi kunyara gusanga na ino na ende ntweke gusaba gwetu no kugani gwetu ne lina maganiri no abega kunyara gutegererwa na mwerende tafadhali right now the country kero muntu take care.
Yes.
That is the first thing, but thank you so much mwensi so kunyara gucha we are hoping for the best na to sabanga ibiro beno bibe kunyara gutegererwa unge muno guchase monsi babiri ba kunyara gusanga na ntwe mambia rero nacha gite kominebere chamambia rekera bona chinsi sato chitake kominesa to chabutukire igoro directors za Kenya nerto batokunyara gusangana reko rwa sense mendige studio nabageni bane naringira Mr.
Moses Rianga Onkenge branch secretary.
Eric Paltrio chama.
All right, asante sana tuarikuligia
Thank you.
Asante.
Kaya.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.